Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. A scaling down of racetrack operations at Caymana Park has been announced by the promoters of local racing, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited. In a release on Friday evening, the company said effective this coming Monday, the main racetrack operations will be scaled down to 4 days only, Monday to Thursday. The company noted that it had no choice due to the severe disruptions and the immense impact of COVID-19 on the country's economy, in particular the parish of St. Catherine, where Caymana Park is located. The release added that for the weeks of May 11 and May 18, the main racetrack will be open for operations for 3 days only, Monday, Tuesday and Friday. And for the week of May 25, the operations will go for 2 days only, Monday and Friday. SVREL also announced additional employee layoffs and salary reductions effective this month. SVREL Chairman Solomon Sharp says during the shutdown and over the last few weeks, the company employed various strategies to maintain business continuity, including having dialogue with the government, the project management committee and horse racing stakeholders. Sharp added that the latest scaled-down operations is in keeping with available resources at this time, and that the company would continue to ensure that all relevant personnel adhere to the social distancing and other required public health protocols. Racing at Caymana Park has been suspended indefinitely since March 21 due to the spread of COVID-19.